Kim from Sue's Dog Rock Mind Kitchen, and today I would just like to do a recipe for you with the bread that I made on my other video, which you need to go and look at, which was the dinner rolls recipe, which didn't quite pan out according to plan. So I wanted to show you what the actual bread looked like. So this is how it sort of all broke up. So what I'm going to planning on doing with this is making like a bread and butter pudding with it, instead of trying to eat it as it just all crumbled away, because it's more like a sort of brioche cake mixture than a sort of bread. So what I'm going to do today is make bread and butter pudding with it. So, and it's not going to be your normal traditional bread and butter pudding, because this is more like brioche type bread, and also I'm actually going to make it with some chocolate. So I have some extra dark chocolate here, 72%, and also I'm going to add some raisins as well. And I will not be putting any sugar in here, because we will be using the raisins and the chocolate, and that should be enough. And then we're going to put some vanilla essence in. So this is Macedonian vanilla extract. So, okay, and 2 large eggs and probably 250 mils of milk, okay? I'm using this nice organic one. And then some nice butter here to spread on the bread. So what we're going to do, this is my own recipe out of my head, just invented it just then, by the way. So first of all, we'll measure out the milk. If we can open the lid. So I measure out the milk. And yeah, so I made the, I think, yeah, 250 would probably be enough milk. 250 mils of milk. I'm just making the dinner for today while I'm here, so I'm just going to turn it down a bit. Right. Sorry, I'm always doing something else. So I'm going to put the 2 eggs in here. You can add sugar to this if you want. I might just put a little sprinkling of caster sugar over the top. Okay? But obviously I don't have a very sweet tooth, and nor does my partner or my son. So we don't want it really sweet, okay? So give that a whisk. And that's your mixture to pour over the top, okay? Right, so that's done. So I've got some seedless raisins here, so I'm going to use these. And I'll just see how many I need. I'll just measure it for you. Just open it first, that might help. It's a nice day today. It was horrible yesterday. It was horrible this morning, but it seems to have cheered up now. The sun's actually shining. So it's actually turned out to be rather a nice day, and it's really warm. So I'm just going to measure my bowl. Right, so I'm going to just go by eyesight and see how much I should use. I'm just going to play it by eye. Right, so I reckon about 136 grams of sultanas or raisins. These are actually raisins. Okay, so 136 grams of raisins. And then the chocolate, however much you want really. So this one's had 1 piece taken out of it. And with the chocolate, I'm just going to pick it up with your fingers. And then I'll grate some as well. I'll use the whole of this pack, which is like how much is in here? 150 grams less 2 pieces. So just under 150 grams. But I'm going to use all of this chocolate. I might just eat a piece. I really like dark chocolate. And grate this piece. Just take the chocolate out. So I'm going to keep that bit of chocolate for when it's done, okay? And all the little bits, I'll break them up. It's all melting. I've got my sort of brioche bread here, so we're going to spread some butter on it after we've laid it in here. We'll just put some bits of butter on it, okay? So we're just going to put it in here, and then we're just going to put the ingredients on the top, okay? So it's just enough to make this sort of, you can't layer it very well because obviously it's not like pieces of bread and you lay the butter on it. So we're just going to put bits of butter on it like this, around it. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So you can make it however you want, but this is Sue's version. And then I'm just going to put a bit of, hold on, get it off my fingers, a bit of chocolate on. So the chocolate didn't really break up. You might want to try and break up a bit more, but I don't think it matters, it's all going to melt anyway. So I'm just putting the pieces of chocolate in. And then I'll do a layer of currants. So just put a layer of this, whatever fruit you're using. You don't even have to put fruit in it, you could just put some milk chocolate in it as well as the dark chocolate. And I'm just going to break this up. So this is a really good use of the dinner roll recipe bread that I made the other day that didn't work. And now we're making bread and butter pudding with it. I reckon it's going to taste really good. Don't waste any, just make sure you use it all. It's good dessert. I'll make some custard, and if you want to make custard, go and check out my homemade custard recipe, which is on here. And I'll just put the rest of the butter on. So, and that's that. And then I will put some more chocolate on the top. And we're keeping that chocolate back for the very end, when it's actually done and cooled down. Okay, so there we are. And then we're just going to put the rest of the sultanas on, or raisins, or whatever it is you're using. I don't think I will put any sugar on it, but I think this will be sweet enough with the raisins. Right. So, there we are. So now I'm actually just going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to the egg mixture. Just going to open the bottle, it's a bit hard to open. So there we are. Make sure you shake it first. So I'm using this today instead of my usual homemade vanilla. Right, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, give that a whisk. Might just add a little bit more milk to that. Okay. So 2 eggs large in here and about 400 mils of milk. So I'm just going to pour that over. Just pour it over the top. And then I'm going to put it straight in the oven. Just keep pouring until you pour it all on. There we are. Right. So my oven's very high, so it's probably on about 300 degrees. It won't take long, probably 10-15 minutes or less than that even, I think. So I'll be back in a minute to show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to put it in the oven. I have to move everything out of the way to get into the oven. So I'll see you again in a minute, okay? Bye. Hi there, Sue again from Sue's Dog Rock Mud Kitchen with the second instalment of the brioche bread and butter pudding, which I've now completed, and I've just taken it out of the oven, and that is what it looks like. So I'm just going to put a portion in this bowl so you can just see what it looks like quick. And then I've got to go and eat my dinner. So I'm just going to put a portion in here so you can just see what it looks like. I've made some custard as well, so it's all ready. Oh, it looks yummy, yummy, yummy. So if you want the details of this recipe, just leave a comment below and I will put the ingredients on for you. This is my own version of a brioche bread and butter pudding with custard. So I made some of my own custard here. I'll just put a bit of that on as well so you can see what it looks like. The custard on it. So there we are. Yummy custard with a nice brioche pudding. Sorry if you can hear my sheep in the background. He's actually hungry. But I've got to eat my dinner first before he has his. He's supposed to be eating grass now all the time, but he still wants some milk, so he's from his bottle. So anyway, so I've just put some chocolate on the top there. Very delicious it is too. So if you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do, and tell your family and friends about my channel. And also, if there's anything you would like me to make, just let me know. If you want the ingredients for this recipe, please just leave a comment below and I'll put the ingredients up for you. So this was very simple, it took about 20 minutes to cook, by the way. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a thumbs up, and tell your family and friends about the channel. I'm doing loads of different videos about different things, with animals and seeds and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.